Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious vegetarian spaghetti. First, select your preferred spaghetti or linguine. Bring a large pot, holding about 4 quarts of water, to a rolling boil. Add a generous pinch of salt, then cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining. Now, let's build our flavorful sauce. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Then, add 1 diced bell pepper and 1 small zucchini, cooking for another 5 minutes. Stir in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let your sauce simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. If the sauce becomes too thick, add some of that reserved pasta water, about a 1/4 cup at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. In the last 5 minutes, stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach until it wilts. Finish by stirring in a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for a creamy touch. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the drained spaghetti directly to the simmering sauce and toss to coat thoroughly. If needed, add a splash more of the reserved pasta water to achieve a silky texture. Serve your delicious vegetarian spaghetti immediately, garnished with fresh basil leaves and an extra sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy this wholesome and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.